subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and like the video.
Hi friends, hope you all be okay. Welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you a better video for your faster screen, for your gaming, for your using of phone that will help you to quickly use your phone. Your screen will be faster than normal. So in first you have to come to setting. While you come to setting here, in two places you can add the setting. One in display and the another one is in accessibility. So firstly we come in display setting. Here you have to add the settings that I am showing you. Firstly you must add the motion smoothness, this setting to adaptive one. In this setting, with this setting you can use your phone very faster. You can go down and up very quickly just with your click. And here another one that I will show you is touch sensitivity setting. In this setting you can increase your touch sensitivity for your screen. You can faster access your screen sensitivity. And another one here is accessibility. In accessibility you can go interaction and dexterity. So click on interaction and dexterity and come down. Here you see touch setting. In touch setting you have to touch and hold delay. In this setting you have to make it shortly at which amount it is in your phone. Make it the shortest one. It's in my phone 0.3 seconds, so it will work very faster than normal settings that you have in your phone. If you like this video, subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks.